In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting MSG files into other format, using the Mailsware MSG Converter Toolkit. To install the Mailsware MSG Converter Toolkit, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Select a Folder button, and select the folder or folders containing the MSG files you wish to convert. Then, click the Select Folder option below. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Our tool also allows users to preview data before conversion. Simply click on any folder to view its contents. Select an email to see the message. The tool will only display relevant information in the content section of the preview. User also have the option to view and save attachments if there are any. Right-click to save attachments. This tool provides users with search option. Click on the search button. This option provides the user with search options to search the entire MSG file. Search on option to search from, to, from, subject, received date, received before, received after, and has attachment. Search for option to search for any specific word within the selected MSG files. To convert a MSG file to other format, go to the Convert option. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PSD, MSG, EML, text, MBOX, and many others. Let's select PSD option for this tutorial. Separate PSD per user option creates individual PSD files per user. Check or uncheck it accordingly. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Our tool provides filter options to precise the conversion. Check on Use Advanced Settings for filter saving option. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in exported PSD file. After selecting the filter options, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. The trial version will only process 25 messages, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted MSG files using the Mailsware MSG Converter Toolkit. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.